Welcome to week 1 of Writing 115. This is Beth Adelot again, your instructor. I just wanted to show you basically the outline for the week. You get this on your Moodle page, but I want to walk through it with you because every week will be exactly the same format, different content, of course. Each week we'll give you a quick little description, what we're trying to do with this, the why for each exercise. You can always ask me, why are we doing this? But I'm kind of giving you this. And then Sunday night will be the last time you can receive a full refund for the class, so you might want to think about it. Give you an overview, and then under resources, office hours Thursday from 12 until 2. I know that this is an online class. You're not supposed to be available at my schedule. But if you want to meet with me another time, that would be fine. Just let me know. Let me know, and we can arrange something. Tutoring resources available. Underneath resources, I'll put sometimes grammar stuff. I'll put sometimes some readings and things like this. 3 things to do this week, this very first week. First thing is subscribe to the New York Times. Want to make sure everybody gets a free subscription. There's no reason to pay for anything. Do it through the Lane Library website. Read a few articles. Just get familiar with the newspaper. And then assignments Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Always Wednesday, Friday, Sunday. Forum postings Wednesday and Friday. Get to know the class. Get to know who's in the class. You might know some people, and they might be in your program. It's good to know who's there, especially in an online class when you can't see them face to face. Then on Sunday night of each week, we'll have a writing assignment. This week, it's a personal narrative. Not worth that many points, but it's a good way for you to communicate with me, tell me what I need to know about you. It's a good way for me to know if you have any special concerns, and let me know who's in the class. So anyway, have any questions? Get in touch with me, email me, let me know. All for now.